Hey guys! Samahan nyo ako sa aking next journey dahil tayo ay mag-undergo ng Premium Face and Body Treatment Package here at Surgiderm Angono. They are located here on the second floor of the mall and tingnan natin what they can offer.
Para bumabaw yung mga scars.
Ready na ba kayo sa Ultimate Transformation Experience? Dahil today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang gagawing treatment sa akin na siguradong magbibigay sa inyo ng confidence boost.
Wow!
Unahin muna natin yung deep facial. Bali, ito yung perfect solution para sa clogged pores, blackheads, and whiteheads. Una, may steam treatment tayo para ma-open ang pores. Kapag open na ang pores, mas madaling matanggal ang dumi, excess oil, at dirt na parang ginawa sa'yo ng ex mo. Kidding aside, then, pricking or extraction ng blackheads at whiteheads. Safe at controlled ng procedure para malinis ang skin without damaging it. After that, gagamit tayo ng facial vacuum, which this helps to deeply cleanse the pores, improve circulation, and magiging smooth at fresh ang skin, tulad ko. So, result, mas malinaw, mas makinis, at mas glowing na mukha. Next level na tayo, ang vampire facial. Lalagyan muna ng anesthesia for 30 minutes para hindi maramdaman ang procedure. Ito ay gumagamit ng PRP or platelet-rich plasma na galing sa dugo mismo ang ilalagay sa akin. Natural, safe, at powerful na galing mismo sa sarili kong dugo. Well, it do skin rejuvenation, pagbawas ng fine lines, pagliit ng pores, at pagpapaganda ng overall skin texture. Well, natural glow from within talaga.
Wow! Gusto mo naman ng mas intense skin tightening at collagen boost, we have the RF microneedling. Pinagsasama nito ang microneedles at radio frequency energy para mas stimulate ang collagen production, mas tighten ang skin at magbabawas ang any acne scars at wrinkles. Mas firm, mas youthful looking skin. Yes, please! Wow! Kasabay nito ang PDT light therapy. Depende sa skin concern kung anong kind of light ang itatapat sa mukha mo at gagamitin sa'yo. So, relax ka lang habang nagre-rejuvenate ang skin mo. Hindi lang face, pati body. Game tayo. So, binigyan nila ako ng Glutadrip 5G for skin whitening, detoxification, at overall glow. Mas bright, mas radiant, mas healthy looking skin. Alam mo ba na dito rin sa Surgiderm Angono, meron din silang lemon bottle injection for my love handles. Perfect ito para sa stubborn fats, sa tagiliran, and it helps dissolve localized fat deposits. Mas define na ang waistline. Now, let's talk about body contouring. So, we have the slimming laser which helps break down fat cells using laser energy. Ito ang pinaka-game changer. Isang session ng M-Sculpt which is equivalent to 20,000 sit-ups. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. 20,000 sit-ups in just one session. Nakakatulong ito sa muscle building and fat burning. So kung gusto mo ng clear at glowing skin, tight at youthful face, slimmer waistline, toned abs without gym, this is the time para magpa-schedule ka na sa Surgiderm Angono. Because you deserve to look good, feel confident, and glow differently. Book your appointment now and let's start your transformation today.